Oh, no! Ay, natututo na.
Kukurela.
Ayaw mag-sleep.
Kakagising lang.
Wait mo na, face the camera doon.
Once again, a big round of applause for our 18 members of our 18 Roses Down.
Hello, baby. Aling. Ay, mga baby.
Thank you very much. Next member of our 18 Wow Wishers is Ashley May Sales. Ang daming napalakpak at taling ko ng kakain ng hapunan. Thank you.
You know I want you. It's not a secret I try to hide. You know you want me, so don't keep saying our hands are tied. You claim it's not in the cards. I'm afraid it's pulling you miles away and out of reach from me. But you're here in my heart, so who can stop me if I made you be mine? Nothing could keep us apart. You be the one I was meant to find. It's up to you, and it's up to me. So just give me all. It's not impossible. Say it's possible. How do we realize the stars? Say you were made to be mine, and nothing can kill us apart. 'Cause you are the one I was meant to find. It's up to you, it's up to me. No one can tell you where you got to be. Why don't we rewrite the stars, changing the world to be ours?
Once again, palakpakan po natin our David at Miss Julian Salutares. Kasama po ang ating apat na pares for our cotillion. Maya-maya po isa-sako ko na sila isa-isa. Okay, so dito na po ang ating first table. Si Number 12. Thank you very much. Talagang consistent, pumapalakpak. Kahit walang tinatawag, pumapalakpak.
Okay, nagpa-picture kami ni Julien. Listen, listen. Sa tingin nyo ba kami magkamukha? Oo, hindi ba guys?
At sa pagsasakripisyo ninyo, para lang makapag-aral ako at bigyan ako ng magandang kinabukasan. Alam ko minsan matigas sa ulo ko, pero ganun pa man, hindi ako pinabayaan. Hindi ako perfectong anak, pero ipinapangako ko sa inyo na gagawin ko lahat ng makakaya para masuklian ang lahat ng paghihirap na at
Sorry. Loob. Ganda ng loob.
Hindi, mamaya pa yun.
Tara mag-pray tayo. Mami, wala kayo man lang. Hindi.
Ito naman na magkakasama tayo, iniisip mo yung sa magpapagas.
Ha? 84 na eh. 84. Hindi ka matapos. Tulad nung kay Pacman. Dito. Dito ba yun? Anak niya dito.
Wala, dali.
Teka, video muna. Hi.
Ay,
Dito ba yan? Picture.
Colin! Abay, taksi yung manok. Sino si Lia?
Isa si Kulay.
Cheers! Cheers! Sino?
Pulang-pula na si Boy, oh.
Kaming sarap.
Bili ko